This is an unusual feeling. Something I've been working on these last couple of weeks is trying to sell my car. I already knew my biggest struggle through this whole process was gonna be downsizing. I never realized how materialistic I am until I physically had to start doing that purging of years and years and years of things that I didn't need or was just holding on to for sentimental value, but really have no place in my life for this next chapter. I love my car, but my car is a really major expense. And so it's really difficult to be able to save money when you're moving overseas for an extended period of time when you have such a large piece of your disposable income just going to one bill. Thankfully, my husband, God bless him, his car is paid off. So I've literally been driving that these last few weeks. So for other reasons, now is the perfect time that I'm able to sell it. And it's the first tangible step to making this change. In one sense, I'm scared, nervous, anxious, but in the other sense, I'm super optimistic and positive and cannot wait to move overseas with my husband. Probably shouldn't be vlogging while I'm driving. My baby, I'm gonna miss you. So this is my car, my beautiful, beautiful Honda. I've had her parked at my grandmother's house because I live in a condominium and parking is limited. So she's kind enough to let me leave it here while it's just sitting, trying not to put miles on it. Shit just got real. Willie, can you do me a favor? What you got planned for the next hour or two?
Get my shot. Get my shot. Come on, travelers, come get me.
So I'm ready to sell my car.
Okay.
You wanna come with me? I need a ride.
Oh shit. Alright, let me finish this game. We almost done.
Alright. I'm gonna go in the house. One hand?
I think you edit it when it goes.
The hell was I thinking wearing this sweater? Bubito, me boobies. Dile hi, mommy.
Hi. Good evening, good afternoon.
This is my grandmother, guys. She's Cuban. When did you come, mommy?
Yo vine en el 62, yo soy americana.
62, but she's an American now. So I grew up in this house right here in Miami. This is my childhood home. I have lots of memories here. Childhood memories growing up as a teenager, playing around with my cousins and my brother. And so, oh look, my husband. I'll see you soon, babe. But anyway, so it's kind of a bittersweet moment being here, thinking about what my next chapter is gonna be. Certainly gonna miss my family a lot. But I'm so happy that they've just been so supportive of me through this entire transition. Willie! Come on, man! Are you gonna start? Please turn on, please turn on. Last time in my car, I'm about to jam the out.
Thinking out loud, I must have $250,000 on me right now.
I am here. I'm so sad. Willie, are you gonna miss me when I'm gone?
Miss me a little when I'm gone. You're gonna miss me a little when I'm gone, gone. Trips to Dubai.
Yeah, I forget there are things to be excited about.
Dubai.
This is a sad moment, but there are things to be excited about.
I want a gold camel. Hey, what are you trying to buy?
snatcher from the future. If you made it this far to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I definitely had a hard time with it yesterday, but I woke up this morning refreshed and I feel like a weight has been lifted off of my shoulders, and that was just step one. I still have many steps ahead of me that are going to be just as challenging as I transition to finally moving overseas. But if you want to follow me throughout this process, be sure to subscribe right here in this corner. Otherwise, if you enjoyed the video, be kind, leave a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. As always, take care and peace and love.